A sudden lightning strike, highly flammable materials, and a factory turned into an inferno within minutes. In Indonesia, a massive industrial fire has raised urgent questions about safety, weather risks, and air pollution. The fire broke out at approximately 3:30 p.m. on March 29th inside a multi-story manufacturing facility in Bogor Regency, Indonesia. The site, operated by PT Cahaya Dinamika Persada, produces plastic tarpaulins, disposable cups, and packaging materials, all highly combustible. What began as a suspected lightning strike quickly escalated into a full-scale disaster. Witnesses reported a sudden burst of flames, followed by thick black smoke rising rapidly into the sky. Within minutes, the fire spread across multiple floors, feeding on stacks of plastic-based products and raw materials. The situation intensified due to gusty weather conditions. Winds accelerated the spread, making containment extremely difficult for emergency responders. Authorities deployed more than 20 fire trucks from surrounding regions. Firefighters battled for hours, navigating heat, smoke, and structural risks inside the building. The nature of the materials inside the factory turned this into a worst-case scenario. Plastics not only burn quickly, but also release dense, toxic smoke, raising immediate concerns about air quality in nearby communities. Local residents were evacuated as a precaution. As night fell, the flames continued to rage. Fire crews worked relentlessly to prevent the blaze from spreading to nearby structures. Finally, at around 10:10 p.m., the fire was brought under control. But the operation didn't end there. Cooling efforts continued into the early hours of Monday morning, ensuring that no hidden hotspots could reignite the flames. Authorities now believe a lightning strike may have triggered the fire, though investigations are still ongoing. If confirmed, this raises serious concerns about industrial preparedness for extreme weather events, especially in facilities handling highly flammable materials. The aftermath now shifts focus to recovery. Workers face uncertainty. The facility has suffered extensive damage, and questions remain about safety protocols, insurance coverage, and how quickly operations can resume. Meanwhile, environmental concerns are growing. The thick smoke released during the fire may have long-term air quality impacts, particularly if toxic particles linger in the surrounding area. Officials are expected to monitor conditions closely in the coming days. This incident is a stark reminder of how quickly industrial accidents can escalate, especially when weather, materials, and infrastructure vulnerabilities collide. And as climate patterns become more unpredictable, events like this may become more frequent. The fire is out. The damage is done. But the real story is just beginning. Investigations, recovery, and the bigger question of whether industrial safety is keeping up with the changing climate.